Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to share with you guys this easy Halloween face paint that I've done a couple years in a row. All you need is these cheap, face paints and some eyeshadow, and you can go ahead and create this look. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just dabbing this on my face. It doesn't have to be in any particular shape or any particular color order. It's always random and it's always different every time I do it. So yeah, you're just gonna choose colors that you like and put that on your face. So I'm using these face paints just sort of as a base for the eyeshadow that I'm going to lay down. So you want to make sure to use, the color paints that you have that corresponds with eyeshadow that you're going to use. And because this face paint is going to be covered up by eyeshadow, you don't have to have it on there perfectly. As you can see, it's super patchy, but we're going to cover that up with eyeshadow, so don't worry about that. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Electric palette. I like this palette because a lot of the colors in it have sort of that metallic, shiny look to them. And what I'm just going to do is pick the colors that correspond with the face paint and dab that on with my finger. Now, unlike the face paint where we left it a little blotchy, you want to make sure that you have full coverage with the eyeshadow. Make it smooth as possible, and you may have to go over it a few different times. But yeah, you just want to make sure that that is completely saturated with eyeshadow. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. So now I'm going to go back in and sort of blend the edges together and fine tune it a little more. All I'm doing is getting more color on my finger and just dabbing those on the edges and just sort of smoothing out those lines that, where the two colors meet. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the black Mayron's face paint with just a little brush and sort of fill in my hairline. Okay, so now with another eyeshadow brush, I'm just taking that black paint and flicking it out. I sort of want it to look like, this black paint is taking over half of my face. So yeah, I'm just taking that brush and flicking it towards the center of my face. Okay, now with my finger, I am just, covering up my entire side of my face. I want that to be solid black. Okay, now with the Mayron's white face paint, I'm just gonna dab a little bit of this, on this side of my face. It was looking a little flat, so I just wanted to add a little dimension to it. Okay, so that is it for the face. I'm going to go ahead off camera and put on some lashes, some wing liner, and I also painted my neck. And that is it. I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell. And make sure to check me out on my other social medias. I'm on Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook, all MakeupMenaree. Thanks for watching.